How to check trade history in OANDA? First of all, open your browser and log into your OANDA trading account. On the trading dashboard, look towards the bottom panel where different tabs such as trades, orders, positions, and activity are displayed. To check your trade history, click on the Activity tab. This section shows the complete history of your account activity, including details of executed trades, order types, ticket numbers, prices, and timestamps. Here you can review every trade you have made, check commissions, spreads, and confirm the results of each position. You can also scroll through the records to analyze your performance and track how your trading decisions played out over time. If necessary, this activity log can be used as a reference for strategy analysis or for maintaining personal and financial records. By regularly checking the Activity tab, you will have a clear understanding of your trade history and overall trading performance on OANDA. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more OANDA trading guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.